If your plant starts showing unusual signs, it may be worth taking a closer look. This condition is often associated with Xanthomonas citri PV, mangiferaeindicae. Some common signs include: the main symptoms of bacterial black spot disease in mangoes appear on the leaves and fruit, although branches and stems may also become affected in severely infected plants. At first, small, black, water-soaked lesions develop on the leaves. These spots are often surrounded by yellowish margins and may be restricted by the leaf veins. As the disease progresses, the lesions dry out, and affected leaves may eventually fall, resulting in defoliation. On fruit, the early symptoms appear as small, pale, water-soaked spots. Over time, these lesions become dark, star-shaped, and may ooze bacterial material, creating opportunities for secondary pathogens to invade. Lightly infected fruit may have reduced quality, while severely affected fruit may drop prematurely. Branches and stems can also develop blackened, cracked areas, potentially weakening the plant and interfering with normal growth. This problem can occur due to: the disease is caused by the bacterium Xanthomonas citri, which can survive for several months in living plant tissues. The pathogen can enter plants through wounds and natural openings or cracks. It can spread between plants and even between orchards through rain splash, wind, and contaminated gardening tools such as pruning shears. Transmission may also occur through infected grafting material or when diseased fruit comes into contact with healthy fruit. Temperatures between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius are particularly favorable for bacterial black spot infection, while high humidity can further encourage disease development. Planting windbreaks or dense vegetation around the orchard may help reduce the movement of wind-driven rain and limit disease spread. You can try natural solutions such as regular applications of products containing copper oxychloride may help prevent and reduce bacterial infection when used appropriately. Biological control agents, including Tine's Acinetobacter baumannii, have also been investigated for their ability to suppress populations of X. citri bacteria. If the condition becomes more serious, you may consider, whenever possible, combine preventive practices with suitable biological control measures. Products such as thiophanate methyl or fungicides containing benzimidazole compounds have been used in attempts to manage bacterial black spot disease in mangoes, although their effectiveness and permitted use can vary. Always follow local agricultural regulations and product labels. To reduce the risk in the future, use healthy planting and grafting materials whenever possible. Choose disease-resistant or tolerant varieties if they are available. Maintain good airflow and ventilation throughout the orchard. Regularly remove infected branches, twigs, and fruit. Avoid causing unnecessary wounds or mechanical damage to mango trees during orchard work. Protect the orchard from strong winds and heavy rainfall by using suitable windbreaks. Infected plant material and fruit should be removed and destroyed appropriately. Clean and disinfect pruning tools and other gardening equipment after working with infected plants. In summary, water-soaked black spots may first appear on the leaves. These lesions gradually dry and become light brown or ash gray, often followed by premature leaf drop. On fruit, small, dark spots can develop into sunken lesions that may release bacterial ooze. Follow the channel to learn more about keeping plants healthy.